So, bago po tayo mag-start, pinatawag po namin si Pastor Michelle to lead the prayer. Yeah, let's stand up everyone.
Yes, please stand up everyone.
Bakit ganon? Parang mahina pati. Are you ready tonight? Baka mga gutom na naman sa mga to na. Alright, so good evening everyone. And we welcome you to our year-end party 2024. Ayan, palakpak naman dyan.
Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta ngayon. Ayan.
So tonight, we are going to celebrate each one of you for all your hard work and dedication throughout this year. So therefore, let's fill this venue with fun, laughter, and entertainment! Woo! Mag-ingay! So, ngayon, we prepared an amazing program for everyone.
Ay, wala. Mukhang gutom lang nga. So, lilinawin ko lang po muna ulit yung about sa raffle. So, yung sa mga nakapag-donate po before dun sa battle drive, meron na po kayong tickets agad-agad. Pero kung need nyo bumili ng ticket para po makasali kayo sa raffle. So, yun po. I-keep nyo lang po yung tickets nyo kasi lalo na dun sa mga maraming bumili ng tickets, baka malito kayo.
Oo, ito sa bawat, yung mga aalis, we have to stay here po during the raffle draw kasi kung wala kayo dito ay ano naman siya, magiging forfeiture invalid na siya, tatawag ulit kami ng bago. Pero kung wala kayo at nandiyan yung partner nyo, asawa, like husband or wife or girlfriend or boyfriend, they can get yung prizes na makukuha nyo. Alright? So, yeah, we need to make sure yan. Okay, we need to make sure na wala kayong nakikita. So you already selected your song? Okay. Yeah, just the title, like, even just the title. As long as you can hear your partner voice, you can sing and find it, okay? Alright, okay. Yeah, you can close your eyes now. Did you already pick a song?
Apo. So, after that, i-spread lang namin.
Okay. Okay, go close your eyes. Alright.
Ready, set, go!
Go! Wait, ang bilis! Sige lang! Okay, you can give me a chance. You need to find your partner. Yeah, we'll give you a chance to find your partner. Hanap. Oh, hindi nakakahanap! Okay. So are you ready to know kung sino yung nanalo? Paano nyo po nalaman kayo? Nakasalikod po kayo.
Wala ko nga paano naman. Sige, group yourself into 5!
Only 5. Group yourself into 5. Oh, you're out. Who's out? Oh, you're out. You still have calculations, right?
Group yourself into 3!
You guys are still safe. Alright, spread out again.
Okay, safe.
1, 2, 5! Papanapos na grand prizes sa unang mananalo.
So, babanggitin na namin kung ano na yung magiging prize ng mga winners, okay?
Not one, but two for the first winner. At maraming salamat po sa Rose team for this major grand prize. Salamat po sa Rose team. Rose team!
Ito na. Check. Oh! Ito ulit pa kanina napulot na ulit ito. So the number ticket is 9774. Watson. 9774
from Watson.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sorry.
Next. Ticket number 4841.
Wala to.
Kuya Keke.
Hoy!
Wow, picture. Selfie. Selfie naman dyan.
Congratulations! Ang
Yes, of winning. So, sino yan, ate?
Halika na dito, Joel Maniti.
Oh! Grabe naman talaga.
Swerte na, Ti. You're so lucky tonight!
Grabe! Papel na din dito.
Who's the lucky winner?
4869? Oh, walang name.
4869!
Check your ticket, guys! 4869.
Meron ba? 5! 4869! Yes, last 4 digits.
Oh! Ate Marcel!
Mahilig sa girls yan.
Patiktas ko na dyan.
Oh, bago yan, isang sayaw muna.
Sasayaw mo na!
Bukas pa. Oh,
Wow! Picture!
At,
Si Ate Ana ang nanalo, ikaw ang nanalo.
ito na. Grabe. But I think it's necklace. Ito na.
Okay.
Pwede mo pakita.
Pwede ko may pakita? Pakita ko para ma-excite kayo lalo.
Pag lalaki na bunot, hindi pwede.
Wow! Kita nyo? Akin na lang to.
Alright. Ang apelido ay Babagoyo 9894 Ronald Babagoyo. Sorry if I mispronounce it. Ronald Babagoyo 9894. Hoy, big photo guys. What?
So, bago ang lahat, ito, may ticket na ako. Magpapasalamat na po muna tayo sa bumubuo nitong event na to. And kila Kuya Tos, Kuya Keke, at sa lahat po ng mga
Bumubuo ng PhilCa at syempre sa inyo rin po. Sa
Yes.
pagkahalat ng time tonight na magkasama-sama tayo. Hindi sana to yung huli. Sana marami pang ganitong event na magkakasama tayo. Maraming salamat po.
yes, maraming salamat po. Ito na, hawak ko na yung ticket, guys. So, the ticket number is 9867. 9867. Joseph!
Akala ko Josel. Wala.
Wow! Nanalo ka po ng Party Box Club! Grabe, JBit ko, guys.
Wala po munang uuwi dahil meron pa po tayong 500 baka na hahatiin ng 5 mananalo po. Alright? Meron pa po.
Wow! Congrats po!
Ayaan mo lang. Ikaw, pangalan mo yan eh.
And then, the last one is Nestor